All right, so Lithium Cycles are up in the game. They are releasing the Super 73Z, and let's take a look at this model. I really like, so again, it's the trapezoid bike. In fact, this is all these guys make, is this type of design. However, I love the way they've refined the look here. Much smoother angles. Let's take a peek here. You can see the different looks. The only thing, so here's the other upshot, which is really cool. It's under $1,000. They pre-order now, and you receive them by December 2018. So it's a bit of lead time, but that's an incredible price. It's not necessarily the highest performance. You're looking at a speed between 15-20 miles an hour, a 350 watt motor, a range of 15 to 20 miles. It's more just probably more for kids getting to and from school, it feels like. I don't know. There's not a lot on it, right, spec-wise. But again, it's such a cool design. You can't really tell it's electric. My preference, I'm assuming this right here is the battery. We'll kind of get into some of the other angles. So, and this one doesn't seem like it would be a very heavy bike. Obviously, there's not a lot of heavy battery. It's a lower profile bike, even though it's got the fat tires, but this is just looks like such a fun, comfortable bike to ride. And I like the way they made this angle go up on the seat. Well done. Let's see, what else do we have here? That's the pre-order. Throttle only, no pedal assist. So it's a very simplistic design, obviously. We can take a look at some of the other bikes that they do have, which are definitely more on the high-end performance side. So I do recommend, these guys are actually in my neighborhood too, and I do need to go over there. I need to take a day off and go visit. They've invited me out there. I just need to make that happen. So anyway, here's the new one, the Super 73Z. Here's the original, which is one of my favorites because it also has at least I don't know if this one has it, but it used to have a cup holder. In fact, I think that's it right there. And then it's got a flat battery. So again, you've got this nice wide open area, what looks like a standard bike chain with the engine in the back. So it really doesn't look like an electric bike. Nicely done. A little on the high end, $2,800, but this one's got a lot of performance to it. Then you have the S model, where they flip the battery. It's a different, that Dolphin Pack kind of battery. They flipped it around there. That's a nice one, a little cheaper. And then you got this one, which is more that motorcycle design with both that, and there's an additional rack space in the back. So just an S1, both white and black. So that's what they also carry. So I do recommend checking these guys out. Looks like a fun bike. I have to go over there and check them out. Here you can compare the different models, and they show the different watts, max speed. When I go over there, I definitely would like these guys. If they're listening, please pay attention. You need to come out with a Class 3 in this model. I would love to see this in a Class 3 with the torque sensing. Would be incredible. I'd love to see that. I don't know what that would end up costing, but I would like to see that design. This is really cool though, but just not as practical for me doing the commuting thing with that short of range. I definitely need something that does at least about 30 miles. So let me know what you guys think. I love it. It just shows that the e-bike community is growing. The fact that you keep seeing new designs and new bikes by the same companies is a very good sign. So I would definitely recommend everybody check these things out, and hopefully I'll take a moment, take a day off, and go see these guys and get an on-hands demo of the bike. So that's all I had for today. Just wanted to show you this one. Again, the Super 73Z. Check it out, and I hope to look at it as well. All right. Y'all have a great weekend. See ya. Bye.